It's that time, May. Everybody getting fit and ready for their holiday, which is in 4 months. That's JJ doing his push-ups. So, it's that time of the year. It's May. As I said, I was going to start exercising in May. Wife for Life is in the back. What we just done is a 40-minute run, and what we're going to do now is, JJ was also doing his push-ups, as y'all can see. Caught him in the action. He's definitely a sport. He doesn't have to exercise. I mean, he's already slender, but we got to get rid of this. Anyway, Wife for Life and I have to do some push-ups and some planks, and you're going to do
some sit-ups and planks.
So, we'll be back in a minute. Hello, people.
Good morning, people. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, people. So today is another Sebas Saturday, and we've got no real plans, but we thought we need to update our vlog channel. We gotta keep the content going because we respect every single one of our subscribers. So,
hello, people.
There she is. So, I was saying today's another Sebas Saturday.
Yes, Sebas Saturday.
Yeah, so it's May.
Yep.
4 months to go before our trip away. So I'm a man that say what I mean and mean what I say, even if I have to say it mean. So it's May. The plan was to start exercising May 1st. Mm-hmm. And
well, that didn't happen.
That didn't happen.
No, because when did that happen? Oh, I was at work.
Wife for Life was at work, and I didn't want to start doing exercise without her. Aww. Plus, I had some work. Plus, other than my work, I was kind of busy with my ENT Sebas channel.
Yes, very busy.
Yes.
You got about probably in 1 week. Was it three?
4 months.
3 vlogs?
Yes, in 1 week I done about 3 vlogs for my ENT Sebas channel because the responses to the channel was going well,
And congratulations, because he reached 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you. Yeah.
So we need Family Sebas to reach that as well. So
yes,
fun.
I've surpassed 1,000 subscribers on my solo channel, but this channel is not to promote our solo channel, including mine.
Even though you just did.
Yeah. I mean, we do mention our other channels on this channel because we would like people to see what else we do, what do we get up to. And what do I get up to? I talk.
You talked about Jamaican politics.
Yes, so I'm more into Jamaican politics and Jamaican legislation, constitution, and so on and so forth.
But it does do some other things as well.
So if you're into that stuff, a lot of people find politics and law boring. So if you find that boring, stick to this channel because this is where the excitement is. So we start doing our workout today. We did
38 minutes running to a very good songs on YouTube that we downloaded. So that was good. 38 minutes running. We did 10 minutes of planks and 10 minutes of...
I did 10 minutes of push-up.
Yeah, and I did 10 minutes of sit-ups.
Well,
I'm tired now.
I didn't exhaust my 10 minutes as I should because I haven't done some push-ups in a while.
And, few months now.
Yeah, and when you start back, it's not so easy. So in that 10 minutes, I only got 15 diamond push-ups up and 15 regular push-ups.
Yeah, and I got 50 sit-ups.
And Jay got his, I don't know what he was doing in his room. I caught him doing some push-ups.
Well, I was doing 20-minute run, doing about 30 30 sit-ups and a few push-ups.
Okay. Are you telling me or are you telling them? Anyway, we're about to go outside because the weather is good.
In the 70s.
So Jay and I woke up. Someone else wasn't around. They were still in snooze land sleeping. Jay and I was up. We did a whole clean. You know, we vacuumed.
Spring clean.
And we did a mop job. And we went to the balcony. And we done the table. So certain people can enjoy
have a glass of white wine.
Salad.
yes. So as you can see, balcony very good, very clean. Well, the table is pollens are coming back already. To be honest, we did the table and the chairs, but don't know why we forgot to mop the actual balcony itself. You know, but we could do that later. Wife for Life wants us to go do what she does best. Shop. Because we are celebrating a birthday. I'll let y'all guess which one of our birthday it is, but we're celebrating a birthday. And we want to go out and get a few things to add to the celebration. Because the person whose birthday it is had an option to go out in the town and dine at a restaurant or dine at home, and the person whose birthday it is has chosen to do it at home. So we're gonna do it at home. So guess whose birthday it is? We're gonna do it at home. But,
Write in the comment section below.
and it's such a beautiful day. We are dressed in our casual wear, but I think when the sun is out like that, we should seize the moment. Take the big boy camera out and take some family Sebas random pics.
Yeah, hubby and I are somewhat matching.
Yeah,
Let's move along a little.
let's move along here. Maybe Jay can hold the cam and give us a little head to toe twinsy shot. So, the flip up thing is on so you can't see. So let me, now you can give us, when our gray and white,
Twirl.
ripped jeans. Well, not much to twirl to show.
Yeah, but it looks good.
There you go. That's us from behind. Some people look better from behind. This is us. So this is pretty much what we are wearing. And Jay looks like this.
He looks like he's cold and
Yeah.
Put a t-shirt on, man.
Yeah.
He's somewhat matching.
That's his teenage look. So, so that's him doing his thing. As you guys know, we tend to film from this direction because that's where we get most light from. So we're gonna take this outside and let you guys catch us. We don't know what we're vlogging today. We're just taking the vlogging camera.
Yeah, whatever comes to us.
And
we shoot.
shoot what we shoot and capture what we capture. It's actually was recorded. Hey people, we are out here. I'm staring at the camera and it's already recorded.
It's sunny.
It's sunny, so I can't really see, so I have to look at it like this. But we out here. Oh, football. Every time I see a football, I get attracted. It's called me. It's my drugs. You know, it's my drug. But I'll do what the wife says and
Y'all can go out later.
try to resist.
While I'm preparing meals.
No, I'm gonna hang around the kitchen. You know, I hang around the kitchen. You know, just in case there are any scrapings that I could get. You know, it should be his job, but when he doesn't utilize it, then I do what we're supposed to do.
I'm going to be making a birthday cake. I'm not sure today or tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. I'm not sure. What do you think? Stop looking at the football.
Today or tomorrow.
I'm looking at it.
You know? Yeah. Well, I was looking at football, but at the same time, we're walking a bit too fast because we're passing some good locations where we could be taking pictures.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 I'll be holding you.
We still haven't got to our supermarket yet, but I decided to hit the camera on to show how sunny and bright Switzerland is today.
Because it's not always snowing.
As people think Switzerland is cold and snowing and 24/7 skiing and
The few people that ask, we had to tell them that we got the same weather like the United
Everybody else.
States.
yeah.
Well, not
We get 4
everybody else.
seasons.
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe.
Let's see the brand. Let me see it. Let me see the bottle. Oh, it's very pretty. Shopping halfway done.
Last stop, I think.
Hopefully.
When it's shopping with her, it's could be all day event, put it like that. You know, but the shopping is almost done, so can't wait to get home. My legs are hurting.
Me too.
That's
My
from all
calves
that
really.
exercise.
My calves are in pain.
I'm just hungry.
Okay, he's only hungry. His stomach is hurting.
One more shop to do and get a little more things and then we're going home.
But it's a nice day, you know.
I think we're going to sit on the balcony today.
Yeah, I wanted to show what we were doing in the supermarket, but because I have to be co-shopper with her, I couldn't be
Yeah.
vlogging at the same time, you know. But you know how it is. Supermarket in every country is pretty much the same. Yeah, you know.
You see, I like to look around for offers in supermarket where this one here, he gets a little bit agitated, like get what we need.
I just like to buy and go.
Yeah, that's. I think that's men overall.
Okay, so you share the same notion.
Yeah, if we should just go with what, if we're gonna buy something in particular, we go and buy it and then
And
we're
then
out.
go.
Yes, I know, but sometimes you have like, for example, you have like 3 different types of bacon and one is cheaper and one is on offer.
Yeah, but she goes for prices and go through all that. But if
I
you
can do that.
but
Men
if you-
aren't built to shop.
no, if you want quality meat or quality food, you just get what you want
These
and
days,
go.
if you all agree with me, bacon is bacon. It's just the packaging that's the quality quality.
Yeah,
of the
well, why are we
product.
discussing
Not-
bacon? We didn't even buy bacon.
No, just,
Wait,
just
wait.
an example. Oh my
Ba-
gosh. See what I mean?
There are farmers that treat their pigs bad, and there's farmers that treat their pigs good. And I think that's quality bacon.
No.
Farmer
No.
treats them good.
You're missing that. You need to be a bit more older to understand. It's
Okay.
the quality of the packaging. It's the pretty packaging that's
Plastic.
You're not gonna eat the packaging.
I know. It's plastic.
No, you don't understand. It's branding. It's
Okay.
promotion.
All right.
Trust me, I've been in catering, I've been in the food industry for almost 25 years.
But y'all gotta agree that it's pointless discussing bacon when we didn't buy bacon.
Okay.
Didn't I say it was an example?
She
my
say it
God?
was an example.
Anyway, let's get in the supermarket,
Let's get out of
and
here.
you guys will see us back when we are at home.
Balcony time.
In a minute.
In a bit. I'm sorry. Hey, we are home.
We are home, and we are tired.
Tired.
Even
My
the-
calves are hurting.
My instep, the sole of my feet, is hurting. Even though where we went was only like 10 minutes away from home,
Felt like forever.
we made a mission out of it. We took some pictures,
Yeah.
and that didn't really take any strength out of us. You know?
No.
That was the leisure part of our outing today. But we're home now. I'm thirsty. And hungry, so we're gonna cook something up and show you guys whatever it is that we cook up. And
I'm not sure about cooking up.
no, when I say cook up, not necessarily in the sense of
A little snack.
cooking, but whatever is it. What we're gonna have today?
I'm not sure yet. I'll put everything away and then I will go through it in my brain.
Okay, alright. Dinner is
Yeah.
to be seen. So we've decided on sandwich. Let's
Yeah,
see the sandwich
just-
that Mum hooked up.
Just a little snack, it's not dinner. It's something because we were walking and exercising.
And
And of course wine.
a glass of wine.
Ding, ding.
Okay, advertise Mum's.
Just a simple ham and salad sandwich.
Yes.
Cheers, you chin chin.
Okay. Chin chin. One of our subscribers, Michelle, she drools. She's an admitted drooler of your food. I'm not sure if you responded to her yet.
I'm not sure. I don't think so, but I will.
But anyway, Michelle, whenever time we eat, me for one, I take an extra bite for you, you know, until that day when you can actually have some food with us, you know. So I hope you accept that much, you know. It's a great gesture from me. These things just be eaten by themselves.
Not so, Michelle, not so.
Okay, people.
Yeah.
We're gonna close off this vlog because I want to get it up today. And yeah, and I want to eat. I'm hungry. So until next time.
Ciao for now.
Ciao.
Ciao for him.
Ciao for now.